Hey guys, today in Art Club with Miss Burford, we'll be creating a stained glass gem heart. You will need a colouring page of a gem heart, a pair of scissors, some laminating pouches, some double-sided tape, and a selection of sharpies. You may want a few packs for the whole class. I have 2 packs for 15 children. There is a small amount of prep for this one, which involves putting your laminating pouches through the laminator so it just melts the plastic and you have clear plastic. And then just find a printable heart gem, a colouring page, and just print these out for each child. The first step is to put the laminated pouch over the gem heart and trace the outline. So I know it's a black outline on here and I have used a black pen, but the children actually used any colour that they could see, as we'll go over this later on. Just ensure that you go over all of the lines, and if the children are struggling to hold the plastic in place, we did tape down the plastic and the sheet underneath just so that it didn't move and they didn't lose their place. If you want to, you can use a ruler to get straighter lines. However, we found that this smudged the Sharpie because the Sharpie still takes a few moments to dry. Once you've checked that you've gone over all of your lines, then you can flip over your paper so that it's the plain side and it makes it easier for you to see where you're colouring on the next step. You can test out your colours in the corner of your sheet of plastic. It is the best way to test how the colours will truly show up on the plastic. You will need 5 to 6 colours, and I went for pinks and reds. You could do cooler colours like blues and greens, or you could do pinks and purples, but try and choose similar colours. Or if you want to make it look like proper stained glass, you can just do random colours. However, we were trying to make it look like gem hearts, and you'll notice that I went for lighter colours on the one side and darker colours on the other half of the heart, and this is because it shows how light does move through a gem. It doesn't matter if 2 of your sections are next to each other and they're the same colour. If you look at a gem or a diamond or something like that, you will see that that sometimes happens. When you're finished colouring in all the sections of your heart, you then need to go over your outline lines with a black Sharpie for definite this time, and just thicken up your lines as well, and you'll see that it makes such a difference. I'll put a before and after picture so you can see the difference it makes. Next, cut it out and make sure you go around the outline so you're not cutting that black outline away. Flip your heart over so the back side is facing up, and then add double-sided tape in different areas of the heart, so you only need 2 or 3 pieces really. This double-sided tape allows you to stick it to your window, and it creates the most wonderful patterns and colours in the room when the sunlight shines through. And there's your Valentine's Day stained heart completed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every week and more art related content every now and then. See you next week for more Art Club with Miss Burford.